Dear students, good morning. Welcome to e-tutorial of Vinayak Public School, Khazrat, Ayodhya. My name is Shahnaz Banu and I will teach you today class 5th English. Imperative sentence. Students, let's understand about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives an order or instruction. Okay, students, let's understand with example. First number, bring me a glass of water. Second, don't even touch my phone. Third, give me a pen and a pencil. Fourth, take a step and don't move. Fifth, please sit down. Sixth, open the windows. Okay, thank you.